I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making pecan pie truffles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. It's the beginning of the holiday season, so for the next 2 months, each episode will be devoted to a seasonal treat, starting with one of my favorite desserts, pecan pie. This is literally one of the easiest recipes we've ever done in the Candy Kitchen. You throw everything into a bowl, mix it, scoop it, dip it, top it, and that's it. But I'm still going to show you how to do everything. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own pecan pie truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1 cup of shortbread crumbs divided in 2, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 4 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 3/4 of a tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 1/4 cups of chocolate or melting wafers. You'll also need a baking sheet, some foil, a mixing bowl, a spoon or spatula, a scoop, a bowl to melt the chocolate, and some silpat, parchment, or waxed paper. Okay, let's make some candy. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pecans on a lined cookie sheet. When the oven reaches temperature, bake the pecans for about 5 minutes, remove them from the oven, and let them cool. In a medium bowl, combine the pecans, half of the shortbread crumbs, brown sugar, salt, corn syrup, maple syrup, and vanilla. Mix them thoroughly, then refrigerate the mixture for 15 minutes. Roll the mixture into balls, and place them on a lined cookie sheet, then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Temper the chocolate or melt the wafers. Dip a truffle into the chocolate. Let it drain. Then return it to the lined cookie sheet. Immediately add a small piece of pecan to the top and sprinkle it with some of the remaining shortbread crumbs. As you can see here, I did it the other way around, and as it turned out, some of the pecans didn't stick very well. Leave them on the counter until the chocolate is set. And that's it! Okay, let's give it a try. Slanchiva! Wow, I am so happy right now. I'm not kidding. Pause the video, go make this, taste it, then come back so you know what I'm saying. This is amazing. The shortbread kind of mimics a pastry crust, and then you get the dark, sweet, almost molasses-y flavor from the syrups and the brown sugar. The hint of salt really makes all the other flavors pop, and it's kind of funny, the chocolate flavor is there, but it's really unobtrusive. I was afraid it might be a kind of a weird combo, but it totally works. If you're looking for the outstanding flavor of pecan pie but don't want to go through the trouble of baking one, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time.